Hey, look what just got here, guys. Cooler Master. About to paint this baby up. He's a Cooler Master. I got a Cooler Master. I think it's a high airflow night valve. We just got here this morning. And this is the GTZILLA. This one doesn't have USB 3 on the front. But what I can do, I could just upgrade it to get hold on, let me take this out. Alright, so to get out the box is the case itself. That's where it's gonna be going. Right here. Let me move my stuff over. And yes, I'm washing out really generous. It's funny. Don't judge me. Alright, so this is the case. Wow, it's actually bigger than I expected it to be. So it's gonna be like that. That's how I'm gonna set it up. And my monitor should be here soon. It's gonna be right here. And the thing I like about it is got really high airflow, like you said. And basically I'm gonna take the front out right here. It's gonna be all red, painted, everything. I think it's red LED in here, 120, and I'm getting another 120. And I might get a USB 3 port over here and cut these out, mod it with a plexiglass so you can see what's inside. I'm gonna paint the back's red. I don't know. I'm gonna paint it black. Either I'm gonna paint it black or I'm gonna paint it red. These I'm gonna paint these, and the whole inside is gonna be all red because they don't paint it. It looks so cheap and ugly. So it's gonna be all red, and the top I'm gonna mounting two 120 fans up there, and this is the original one, came with the PC. And I got oh, this is the list I have so far. I only have storage and motherboard left, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll put the link below about my spec and stuff. Alright, we'll see what's coming next. My kid just got here and I already took half of it, most of it apart already. I just took the wires out, the fans in front, and start getting to business painting. It's gonna be so sick. Can't wait for this shit. So it is gonna be all red, all the back and the front. I masked it out, and this whole thing's gonna be all red. So this one coat is done. Bright orange, shiny red. Damn, look at that paint job though. Hey. So I just went to Agri, bought some paint and start painting. It's a little windy out, not the best day, but I just want to get it done. At least not rain. Okay, so I paint these oh damn, that's shiny. Yep, most of them is gonna be red. Inside is gonna be some red, some black. So this thing gonna be black, and so this the motherboard panel. It's gonna be black. I just do red first, so it's a lot easy for me to do black. So I just tape around instead of tape the little tiny component. So might as well just do the whole thing first. And that one's gonna be black. No, yeah, that one's gonna be black. The top and the bottom panel is gonna be, and the rear, the front is all gonna be red. So just the thing in the middle. And the temperature right out here is like 50, 60 right now. It's a little cool, but I just got finished on second coat, and over here I might do some graphic on it, something, you know, I don't know yet. I have a couple ideas, but probably not this panel, but probably be that panel. I'm gonna do some mod on later on when I got all the PC running, everything. I'm gonna put cut it and put acrylic on it so you can see through what's inside, you know. My homemade rack from a coat hanger. Yo, almost done. My homemade rack from a coat hanger. Yo, almost done. Got three more packages today from Amazon, and I think this is the hard drive. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. This might be the fan, this might be the monitor. I'll open this baby up and check it out. And look at my paint job, guy. That looks sick. Alright, I think that's what I got. Okay, I got 8 GB RAM. I think it's 16 megahertz, and I got only 20 GB of SSD drive, Kingston, and I got Cooler Master Stick Cold Flow 120 red LED, and I got I think it's 120 something. No, I think for the monitor I got AOZ, and this is what I got, the Fameless one, 22-inch. I don't know how it's gonna look out yet, but I'm gonna connect it with my my Mac, but I don't know how I'm gonna connect it. But alright, it came with a VGA cable right here. I'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know. And that is so far. I'm still waiting for my hard drive, my motherboard and CPU and graphic card should be here soon. I hope. We'll see.